In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ultimate RSI in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, such as a stock, a crypto pair, or a forex pair. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the button labeled Indicators. This button is usually near the top toolbar, above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can find and add all kinds of technical tools to your chart, including the Ultimate RSI. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search box. Click inside that search box so it becomes active and ready for typing. This search bar is really useful because it lets you quickly find specific indicators without scrolling through a long list. Now, in that search box, start typing Ultimate RSI. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Be patient for a second while the options load, and then look for the indicator named Ultimate RSI in the list. Once you see it, simply click on it. As soon as you do, Ultimate RSI will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your main price chart. At this point, you should see the Ultimate RSI line and its levels displayed. You can leave the default settings as they are, or, if you want to customize it, hover over the indicator name on the chart and click the settings icon. From there, you can adjust the inputs, colors, or style to match your trading preferences and make it easier to read. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock more features, such as additional indicators on the same chart, saving multiple layouts, and a generally smoother trading workflow, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you, while also getting access to the pro tools that make indicators like Ultimate RSI even more powerful in your analysis. That's all you need to do to add Ultimate RSI in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your trading strategy in a way that works best for you.